In the video, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to trade options for beginners on Webull. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is look for the stock that we are going to trade. In this case, we're going to do Apple for the example. So we're going to come right in the search section and type Apple. Once you're in the Apple stock, you're going to see the different time frames as you scroll down. As you can see, we have the 5-minute, daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, etc. You could also change the time frame on the 5-minute. As you can see, we could go to the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and so on. So in addition, if you click this button right here, you could change from candlestick to line chart. So you can see now our chart is showing lines. If you want, you could just go back to the candlestick right here. So in addition, if you click on this button here, you could add some indicators. You have the MACD, the RSI, volume, Bollinger Band, VWAP, etc. So you could use those indicators to help you with your trading. So in order to trade the option, we want to come to the option section here and click on the option. From there, we're going to see a lot of different strike price, and you're also going to see some different dates here. So once you click on a date that you want, you could scroll, move over. You could have you see the volume, open interest, implied volatility, delta, all theta, all that good stuff. Some of the Greek. You also have bid and ask. So if you don't see delta or any kind of the Greeks in your chart, you could come to this button right here and you could hit the column section, and then you just go and click on the one that you want to show, delta, whichever Greek you want to show. So in this case, delta. Now, in order to trade, we're going to look at the different strike price. So when you look at the different strike price, you have in the money and out the money. So in the money is pretty much the strike price is going to be above the current price of the stock, and out the money is going to be below the current price of the stock. This is for puts. Now if you go to calls, in the money is going to be below current price, and out the money is going to be above the current price. All right, so once you come down here next to calls and puts or both, you could click on you see single options or covert call, and some other strategies that you could use. In this one, we're doing the single option. You have covert call, straddles, vertical, butterfly, condor, etc. But we're not going to do those ones right now. We're going to just focus on single option. Once you decide which strike price you want to go in, you're going to click on the number, and it's going to ask you to put in your password on Webull. You put in a password, you're going to come to the option contract here. You're going to see the mid price, and you're going to see the ask and the bid. So the mid price is pretty much where you could potentially get the stock at, and the bid, the ask price is what most sellers are asking for right now, and the bid price is what most buyers are asking for right now. But the mid price is where you could potentially get it at that mid price. If you do limit order, so you have limit order, you have market order. I personally like to do limit order because I feel like we're more in control of what position we get in. So most of the time, I personally like to do limit orders. We have the limit order here. We could set it says 176 for the price, for the mid price, 174 bid, and 177 for ask. We're gonna just put it to the mid price, or we could even put it below that, and maybe hit that number, and then we could put how many contracts we want to get, 1, 2, 4, you know, or more. And then we could also do the time. Do we want to enforce till it's canceled, or for the day after market closes? So as you can see, if we do for the day when market closes, usually close around 4:30 p.m. So, and if we do good till cancel, it will be canceled up to 60 natural days after the order is placed, according to this right here. And then from there, if you decide you want to get it, you could hit the buy button and then hit confirm. It's going to charge you a transaction estimated transaction fee, and then you just hit confirm. And then if you hit that number that you put it for the limit order, you're going to get into the trade, and then you have an option contract right there. If you wanted to do a market order, you just come to the section right there, and you click on market order, and then you could get, it's going to bring you in wherever the market is at currently. So if you want to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or more contract, you can. And then you could do the same thing, time and force. You could do it until day, and you hit buy and confirm, and then you'll be in the trade. So guys, there you have it for this simple way of trading option on Webull. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you want to check out my free webinar, check out the link in the description to check out a free webinar about stocks and option. And you could also sign up for a course that I have as well. That being said, guys, remember, let's level up together by subscribing, liking, sharing this video. And remember, for His glory, peace.